Just a small trick.
So what's up, guys? Stu, and we're putting the fucking engine in today. I've got me helper Dave. He's just over there. He's now come accustomed to the camera. You're not seeing the one with Ryan where I put my arm around him and he's like, like freaked out. So we're not going to do a lot of talking through this. We're just going to crack on. We're going to try and get this off here. Put the sump on. Take the sandwich plate off and get everything back on. Like I said, we'll just put the camera on the side, fast forward through all this stuff, and we'll get this engine back in today. So the rocker cover's here. It's not looking too bad now. Looks a bit better than what it did the other day. Just had it under a heat lamp, and then there's this fucking jazzer right here. Check that out. Have you seen a better sump? No, you haven't. So I'm going to stick you down and we're going to get cracking on this. So we'll see you in a bit. You want a big socket for that? So we've got everything on. Well, the sump on. We had to piss around with the baffled sump and cut the edges out because it didn't fucking fit. So that's all on. I used some fucking thinners on my beautiful sump, so now it's marked. We're just getting flywheel in. So we've cleaned up flywheel up. It's got a few scrapes and shit like that in, but these bolts in the middle are all 17mm.
Pivot shaft bearing, not well done off.
So we forgot to put in the new pivot shaft bearing.
Ish.
We're gonna have to knock it out. That was loose anyway, this one.
There's a socket that fits on that fucking cock on.
Cock on. Who's fits on the socket?
No, tree.
My mate Dave's got the clutch and the clutch plate, pressure plate. Like Star of David. Star of David.
Star of David?
Yeah, like a Jew, you know. Like that. Kind of.
Alright.
Just agree to disagree.
Yeah.
So we've got a clutch on. It's a stage 4 competition clutch. And it supports power. See how it is with turbo. It's gonna bop it in. So you got a torque about 25 Newton meters and you're going like a star pattern. So we can see what you're doing.
It's alright. You've just made it really fucking awkward.
Torque settings for the pressure plate, 25 Newton meters, and I didn't get the torque things for the whatchamacalls it. 103.
103. 2 daggers.
Yeah, for your flywheel, 103 Newton meters. So, we're on with getting the gearbox back on now. About fecking time. I've seen this video enough times.
Oh yeah.
The brake! You ready for this?
Not really.
Run away, car.
Press brakes too early, didn't you? Yeah.
At least we've got a spare bolt.
I think we might have a few.
Everyone knows cars come with at least 10 spare bolts.
Whee!
Well, them 2 bolts. Fuck no, I don't even know where they're from.
What?
Them 2 bolts on there with the nuts, they've just appeared since you turned up, unless you brought them with you.
Uh-huh.
No.
Take that bit off, I've just fucking...
Destroyed. Let me measure with fucking jobber. I've got to trim that side.
Gotta take that bit off.
Yeah.
Chinese.
Hey, they can't get everything right.
You don't get much right with coffee shit though.
Like a fucking glove. Okay, I think that just sits on top of there.
No.
With that washer on, like that. So if we just drill that fucking thing out.
I'm good with that.
Yeah, drill it out, we'll sit that on there and then we'll just dog it from the top. So your washer that comes to put on the engine side is shat. So
Chinese drill bit, wouldn't it?
ah, that's hot. What's up, Dave? Did you take it out of my hand a bit too premature?
Burp me, you bastard.
Bit of Ruess, though.
Fucking risk, fucking kill him.
That's a nice burn, that.
Oh.
Fuck off, snap-on boxes.
Why can't this trolley have like
4 movable wheels.
one down? Oh shit, the bed. Drop it down there.
Chop. Send that with it.
Yo! So what's up? So the engine is back in. We had to fuck around with these engine mounts, jiggery and pokery, and managed to get that in. That was a pain in the ass because of the back bolt wouldn't fit in with the bracket on the gearbox, and we should have really dropped the gearbox into the bracket, but or something like that, shouldn't we?
Fuck
Or
it.
would have fucked, yeah. But we managed to get it in by jiggery and pokery in about. This one's gonna get replaced when the new one turns up, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass to do. So you can see how far that fucking engine mount is with it being broke. You can see there, but the engine is all back in. And that's it. I've just got loads of earths to do and sort out, all wiring, plug everything back in, and I think we'll be laughing. Put all gear linkages back on, but that, for the time being, is it. That's Dave. I'm Stu. See you in a bit. Oh, make sure you like and subscribe. It's been a long day. So yeah, cheers for watching. It's took us about, oh fucking hell, what time did we get here? 5:30, and it's 11:10. So, and most of our problems have been the fucking
Chinese shit.
Yeah, Chinese shit. So the dry sump, the fucking baffled sump we put in, we ended up chopping loads of bits out because it wouldn't fit in. So we've just got the sheet in the middle and the bottom pieces. We haven't got any outer pieces. And the engine mounts, because they're solid and they're made in China, they're not really. They were a pain to get in. Back one was all right. The 2 side ones you have to piss about with, but I wish that I had the proper front mount because it would make this job a lot easier, but we're gonna have to undo it again. So just tightening the last bolt up and we're done for the day. So I'll be cracking on with this next week, and hopefully by Friday next week we'll be up and running and we'll be laughing. So cheers for watching, like and subscribe, comment, shit like that. See you in a bit. Follow the Instagram and stuff and message me on there if you want to ask me anything. So see you in a bit.